Hello students, myself Pankaj Kumar. Welcome to my class. In last video we had seen column break, line break, page orientation and page size. Today we are going to discuss indent text and margin, find and replace text working with tabs. So let's start with indent text and margin. So it is a structure of a line, paragraph or paragraphs which separate from rest of the part of a document. In other words, we can say it is the amount of spacing between the text and page margin. By default, the left indent and the right indent are set by the system. That means we can set either from left or from the right. Okay, it makes the text or paragraph look different from the normal presentation. It also makes the document more readable or increase readability of the document. Now see the step, then I will show you the practical. So first step, select the paragraph to be indented. Second step, click page layout tab. Third step, under indent option in paragraph group, select left indent. Click this button, you will notice that the paragraph gets shifted from the left margin by 0.1 inch for each click. Similarly, click this button to move the text toward the left margin by 0.1 inch for each click. Okay. Thus the selected paragraph is set as per the desired indent. Now see the practical and you try to understand the concept of indent text. So suppose here we have two paragraphs and you want to apply indent text in paragraph number 1. So according to the step, first select the paragraph, then click on page layout tab. Then in paragraph group, here we have left indent and right indent. Just click on this arrow button, left indent one. As you click, you will notice space is increasing from the left side. Okay, and now click on this button. You can see now space is decreasing. Okay, this is the use of left indent. Now just click on right indent. This icon, just click on this icon. You can see the space is increasing from the right side. Now just click on this icon. Now space is decreasing. Okay, so this is the use of right indent. This is how you can use indent text. Understood? Now next is margin. In MS Word, a margin is defined as the space between the text and the edge of a document. This is the edge of a document and these are the text. So this space we are talking about. Okay. By default, a new document is set to normal, which means it has an inch space on either side. Either side, that means top, bottom, left and right. Okay. Depending on your needs, you can change. You can change the margin of your document. Moreover, the system provides 4 types of margin: left, right, top and bottom. Let's see the step first, then I'll show you the practical how to apply this. Okay, so step number 1, set the cursor on the document, click page layout tab. Third step, click margin option in page setup group. Fourth step, select custom margin from the drop down list. It will display page setup window. Fifth step, select the type of margin, top, bottom, left or right, whose value is to be changed. Click this button. You will notice that the entire document gets shifted from the selected margin by 0.1 inch for each click. Okay, similarly, click this button to decrease the margin by 0.1 inch for each click. Thus the document is set as per the desired margin. Okay, now let me show you the practical. So first set the cursor on your document. Okay, just place the cursor, then click on page layout tab. Then in page setup group, click on margin option. Okay, you will get the list From here you can choose any one. Okay, apart from that you can go for custom margin. Okay, here you can see, here we have the option top, left, bottom, right. Okay, from here you can increase or decrease the size of space. Okay, like I am giving here 2 in top, 2 in bottom, 2 in left. Okay, now apply it. You will notice the space increase from top, left and bottom. Okay, this is how you can apply margin in your document. Understand? Now next is working with tabs. So it is used to indent the text in a document and move the cursor at a certain point in the working area. Okay, when you press the tab key once, the cursor move and sets to 0.5 inch, that is by default, but we can increase by 1, 1.5, 2, etc. Okay, so it's depend on user. So when we press tab key, it moves by 0.5 inch by default. Okay, however you can move the tab key as per your need to set the cursor at the desired place in a document. Now let me show you how to use tab key. Now you can see the cursor is here. Now I am going to press tab key. You can notice now the cursor came here. That means the cursor moved by 0.5 inch. Okay, that we can increase according to our desire. Now we can start writing from here. Understood? This is how you can use tab key. And the last is find and replace text. This is very interesting features. When you make a document, you may need to replace a particular word with some other word. MS Word provides the feature find and replace, which enables you search a word and replace it. Now let me read out the step, then I will show you the practical. Okay, so first step, click replace on the ribbon under home tab. Find and replace window appear on the screen. Step number 2, type the text that you want to search in the find what text box. Type the text you want to replace with in the replace with text box. Step number 3, finally click replace to substitute the word one by one. Then click find next to continue search the word in the document. Step number 4, you can also click replace all to substitute all the occurrence of the search word with the new word at one time. Finally click OK. So these are the steps which we have to follow. So let's see the step. So suppose here we have a document and I want to replace and with or. As you can see here we have written and I want to change that with or. Okay, so first the step which I have to follow, which we have to follow, just click on replace button. As you click, you will get find and replace window. Okay, as you can see here, find what box is here and one replace with box is here. So in find what, we supposed to write the word which we want to search. Now I'm going to search here and I want to replace with or. So just write in replace with box. Okay, now here you can see the option replace all, find next, cancel. Okay, replace, that means one by one you can replace the word. Replace all, that means in one time only you can change all the word, search word. Okay, find next, that allows us to see where is the particular word. Let me show you. I'm going to click on find next. You can see the and here, again next here, next here, next here, next here. Okay, now I'm going to replace. You can see it replaced. Now when I click replace all will be changed. I'm going to click on replace all now. You can see everywhere or came. Okay, this is how you can find the text and replace the text. Understood? So today we have studied indent text, margin, working with tabs, and find and replace text. So children, what is find and replace text? What is the use of find and replace option? So find and replace option allow you to search a word and replace it as per your need. Okay. Now what is margin? Margin is defined as the space between the text and edge of the document. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.